Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Basic authentication is a simple authentication mechanism commonly used in web development. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement basic authentication in Python using base64 encoding. Basic authentication involves sending a username and password encoded in base64 format in the HTTP headers. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. If not, you can download it from python.org. Basic authentication involves sending a base64 encoded string containing the username and password separated by a colon, username password. The resulting string is then included in the authorization header of the HTTP request. Base64 encoding is used to ensure that the username and password are not transmitted as plain text over the network. Let's create a simple Python script using the requests library to make a request to a basic auth protected endpoint. Replace the endpoint URL, auth_username, and auth_password with your basic auth protected endpoint URL, username, and password. This script will make a GET request to the specified endpoint using basic authentication. Adjust the script accordingly for other HTTP methods or additional functionality as needed. That's it. You've successfully implemented basic authentication with base64 encoding in Python. ChatGPT